Welcome to our SoftTilt how-to video. Today I'll explain how the SoftTilt can turn the patient from side to side automatically and relieve pressure. SoftTilt can be programmed to reposition the patient throughout the night in a predefined pattern. The patient can be positioned on the left side, on the back, and on the right side. If adequate, you can relieve one area. That means, in an example, you can switch between right side, back, and right side, relieving the left side. This is the control box from SoftTilt. To activate SoftTilt, you press and hold the on and off button until you see the display that you have the 3 digits here. To activate either the manual function or the auto function or one of the two predefined programs, you press and hold until you see green light. Here you have the setup panel. This is where you define how many minutes the patient should lie on the left side, on the back, and on the right side. It's also where you define how many degrees SoftTilt should move in the automatic mode. In automatic mode, SoftTilt always repositions with both wings active at the same time. This is to minimize shear and to optimize comfort for the patient. Depending on the settings, the side that the patient is lying on after being repositioned, it will either go flat or stay slightly elevated. We always recommend a slightly elevated side to give maximum support for the patient. Let's program SoftTilt first by pressing Set Time function. Press and hold until I see the select in the display. I choose one of the two programs I can predefine. Here I press program 1, green light, P1. Press Set Time one more time. Next step is to set how many minutes I want SoftTilt to lie in each position, left side, right side, or on the back. Here I want the patient to lie for 30 minutes on the left side. I press Set Time. Center position as on its back. I want SoftTilt to skip the back because the patient is in high risk of getting pressure ulcer on the sacrum. Then I set SoftTilt for 0 minutes. That means SoftTilt skips the center position. Next step is how many minutes do I want SoftTilt to lie on the right side. I will choose also 30 minutes and press Set Time. A for angle, then I press the Set Angle function. And here I can choose from 0 to 40 degrees. The maximum is 40, it can't go above 40. This is for safety. Press Set Time one more time. And the support from the opposite wing can go from 0 to 12. And the maximum is 12 as here. I press Set Time. And the last part is I can choose for which side SoftTilt should start with the tilt. Here I want SoftTilt to start on the left side, and you see the green light on the left side. And I press Set Angle one more time again. Then SoftTilt is programmed. I press and hold P1 because that's the one I programmed. I press and hold until I see the green light and P1 in the display as here. If you need a small interruption when SoftTilt is activated in the automatic function, you can press and hold Set Time until you hear a beep, and then both wings will go down in horizontal mode. And you can see here you have green light in the manual function. That means that you can use the hand control for moving and handling the patient.